In this video, we're going to be showing you how to turn images like this into 3D model images like this using Google Gemini. Before we dive in, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and without further ado, let's get right into the video. The first thing we need to do is go to Gemini, then click Tools on the prompt box, and then select Create Images. Now you can click the plus icon and upload your image, or in my case, I'm going to copy this image I found online and paste this into the prompt box. Now we need to copy this prompt. I have put this in the description and pinned comment of the video. Then we need to paste this into Gemini and press enter. Gemini has now come back with this. Now, to demonstrate this again, I'm going to copy and paste this family photo into Gemini, then copy this prompt and also paste this into Gemini, then press enter. Gemini has now come back with this super cool image. That's all we have for this tutorial on creating 3D model images with Google Gemini. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.